What up, Jeffrey, with all my Bitcoin renegades? And I hope you're all doing well in this day today. We are excited that Bitcoin is almost at $40,000 again. We went all the way down to like almost 37. Let's see here. We went to, hey, you get back away. We went to, not that one either. Okay, right here. We went to 37,481 before blast off, right? That was almost the 100-day moving average. So basically we hit right above the 100-day moving average. Actually, yeah. Let's look at the 50-day moving average. I want to see exactly how far above that we were. Okay, so that is all the way down at 34,903. So we definitely didn't hit that. Maybe it was the 100-day moving average. Let's see where that one was. I believe we were still above that. I didn't look just now. Wasn't paying attention. It is at 39,760. So no, we are hitting that as resistance right now. That's what just happened. We went up right now to hit it and then bounced off the 100-day moving average. Since we closed below it on the weekly, it's going to be a form of resistance to us now until we overcome it. So if we just blast above it and keep going up to the 200-day moving average, we just have to close above it on the next weekly candle, and then, or the next, weekly close. Then we could be headed for extreme new highs, right? And that's what we're waiting on, is new all-time highs, new blast off in the market. Ethereum's doing wonderful. Bitcoin's doing good. Everything is looking good right now. Yeah, look at that. Let's see. I mean, this is almost crazy looking, just like a V-shaped recovery right there for sure. Look at that V-shaped recovery. I mean, now we're putting in higher highs and higher lows. So as long as we, put in a higher high than this and a higher low than this, we're good to go, baby. So we need to get up over 42,614 and stay above 41,170. That's where we need to go. Let's see if there's anything in the 1 hour chart. Okay, we're looking at like maybe a ascending triangle in the 1 hour. No. Nope. There is not yet. It hasn't gone up and sideways enough to do that. Like we just blasted off like just a few hours ago. Wow, that doesn't even. Okay. It's an ascending wedge. That's what that is. So that might not be too good. Ascending wedges can sometimes break to the downside. So hopefully we see something better than that in the near future. Let's see. The 100-day moving average on the 1 hour is 39,703. That's weird. It's up there. Okay, what is this line? I think that's the one I drew. If it goes below this line, we're going to go down. And it didn't really go. But look at the volume we have here, guys. Look at that volume that just came in. But look at all the red volume. See, you would have to know that we're going to have a recovery here. Look at all the red volume and then boom, green volume. Now we have to have some red volume again. But not as much. We could have a little bit of green too. So, because look at that. We didn't get volume like that. That was huge volume. And then huge volume, huge volume. But we've had pretty good volume today. So what is today? Wednesday? I don't know. Nothing special going on today. Now let's go over and look at the Ethereum chart and see what's going on with Ethereum. What? 2711, baby. Ethereum's kicking booty, dude. Look at that. Look at that spike that had. Oh my goodness. They had a double bottom right there. Look at that. Double bottom. Blast off. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Hold up. Okay. Wait, what was that? Get your butt down here. Let's get rid of some of these lines that don't belong here. Look at this big line that we just broke above on Ethereum. Did we just? We did. We broke above resistance on Ethereum. So Ethereum might keep going up, guys, because actually it should be like this. And it broke out of the ascending triangle right there. Boom, and we're above. So maybe if we close above this, we'll turn that into support. And if Ethereum keeps going and Bitcoin keeps going, we're looking for a nice close on this week. And then hopefully the weekend candles are going to just explode. And we're going to go all the way to the moon, baby. That's what I want. Okay, we are definitely oversold on the RSI on Ethereum, though. Look at that, 74%. Way, way above. We were all the way up to 77 per 80%. No way. Yeah, 80% at the highest right there. Look at that. 80.64% oversold. And then look what happened. That's when we got our red candle. And then boom, all the way back to green again as it falls. And then more green. So we can hang out above this level, but not for too long. So let's go back and look at, these levels. Okay, look, we went way above and then down and then back up and then boom, down and then boom. So we have some crazy little patterns that play out at times in this RSI. It's pretty cool. I need to study this thing because it looks, pretty decent to me. Yep. Okay, well, so Ethereum's looking good. It might see a retracement because they're way above the RSI, and they're just looking oversold right now. So I'd just be careful if you're thinking about buying Ethereum at this price. I would wait for a confirmed, breakout. I would definitely not, think about buying right this second for Ethereum. It's too high for right now. It really is. You don't buy when it goes up this high. Wait for a dip. Okay. But now selling, if you bought, say, way down here, or even at when I told you at 1700, it might be time to take some of them profits, guys. Okay. A friend of mine, Marcos, was asking the other day, should I take profits at this level, 42,000? He was saying, and I said, maybe not. I'm not myself because, I hold a bigger term, bigger bag of Bitcoin. So I'm waiting for optimal gains. And that's what a lot of miners do. They wait for big, price gains before they sell off. Now, if you bought it like, say, 1700 on Ethereum, and you bought one full Ethereum and it's up to 2800, I would sell. I would definitely take $1,000 profit off the table. Then I'd wait for Ethereum to dip back down and I'd buy in again. That's what I would do if I had bought at 1700. Wait, I did buy at 1700. Oh, I guess I should go sell right now, right? 2700. Man, I think I'm going to go sell some Ethereum. All right, guys, when I leave this video, I am selling Ethereum. I'm taking some profit, guys. I mean, we're above this level. Look at that. I didn't sell it back here at 2600. Why? Because we're at 2700 now, baby. Yeah. That's $1,000 profit, baby, that I made. So, yeah, When I tell you these levels to buy at when it's at $1,700, was it stupid or secretly genius? Well, you do the math. I'm $1,000 in the profit now, guys. So what do you say? Was that a good move? That's what this channel is for, guys. It's to show you what I'm doing so that you can do the same thing. Not financial advice. You do your research. Never put any of your hard-earned money into the market unless you know what you're doing, unless you do your own research. If you don't understand what the market is doing, you could lose all of your money. Now, if you do understand what the market is doing, you can buy Ethereum at $1,700 and sell it at $2,700. Now, that's a third of the profit that you made out of that. You didn't make 100% profit, but you made like a 33% profit, maybe a little more, like maybe a 38% profit, something like that. Right? So that's looking good. We have a little bit of cool news going on. Check it out, guys. Eminem. Yo. So Eminem, Coinbase back Ethereum NFT platform MakersPlace in $30 million raise. Eminem, Coinbase back Ethereum NFT platform MakersPlace in $30 million raise. That does not make any sense in the English language. At least the way I read it, it doesn't. MakersPlace is the latest NFT platform to raise significant funding amidst this year's crypto collectibles market boom. In brief, NFT Marketplace MakersPlace has raised $30 million in a Series A funding round. Investors include rapper Eminem, Coinbase Ventures, NFL player Larry Fitzgerald, and many more. So I thought this was pretty cool. Eminem is doing this. Coinbase Ventures, and NFL player Larry Fitzgerald. Pretty cool. MakersPlace, a marketplace for crypto collectible artwork sold as NFTs, is the latest such NFT destination to raise significant new funding following this spring's market boom. Today, the firm announced a $30 million Series A round with the various big name backers in the mix. It's a long list of names, but rapper Eminem and his manager Paul Rosenberg stand out as strategic investors. Along with NFL player Larry Fitzgerald, Eminem actually released his own NFTs in April, albeit through rival platform Nifty Gateway. The three separate drops generated nearly $1.79 million in total sales. Fitzgerald, meanwhile, is an investor in crypto fintech wallet app Eco. Okay. Bessemer Venture Partners and Pantera Capital led the Series A round, with Coinbase Ventures, Sony Music Entertainment, Draper Dragon Digital, Uncork Capital, and 9 Yards Capital also participating. Other notable investors include Shopify founder and CEO Toby Luchgray, DJ and NFT entrepreneur 3LAU, former Sotheby's CEO William Roofrecht, William Roofrecht. Okay, I didn't read that one before. Sorry, guys. I just saw this last minute. I normally read it, but I didn't on this one. Former Sotheby's CEO William Roofrecht and Aquavella Galleries. According to MakersPlace, its Ethereum blockchain-based platform has processed more than 100 million in transaction volume so far in 2021, and its user base has multiplied 10 times over. Wow. So, MakersPlace is perhaps the best known for participating with Auction House Christie's for the sale of artist Beeple's Every Days, the first 5,000 days NFT, which sold for $69.3 million in March. That's amazing. Okay, I don't want to just read all of this, but I do want to talk about NBA Top Shot right here. While NBA Top Shot moments and items in games like Axie Infinity and the Sandbox have been big draws, so have artwork drops on NFT marketplaces like Nifty Gateway. Super Rare, OpenSea, and MakersPlace. Celebrities and athletes have especially benefited from this year's NFT booms, with musicians Grimes and The Weeknd and NFL players Rob Gronkowski and Patrick Mahomes, each pulling in 7 figures from NFT drops. I love that name. Patrick Mahomes! Man, get over here, Patrick Mahomes! I'm sorry. Oh, God. That was pretty funny, dude. What up, Mahomes? I don't know why that gets me, dude. What up, Patrick Mahomes? Like, you get a couple Patricks walking in. Hey, what up, Patrick Mahomes? Sorry. That's just funny. Okay, what is going on? Whenever I talk a lot, it makes me yawn or want to yawn. Like, I hold back a lot of yawns, I notice, when I talk a lot. So, my brain isn't used to talking this much. So, all right, guys, that was pretty cool. The price of Ethereum is looking amazing. The price of Bitcoin is freaking skyrocketing again. We are going to see a breakout of these resistance levels any day, any time, any minute. We are running into the 100-day moving average resistance at 39,703. But guess what? We're going to break it. We're going to all-time highs. We're the best, baby. We're doing this. We the best. We'll always be the best. You can't phase this because we're doing big things here. I have a very trusted advisor of mine working on my sponsorship paper. It's like what do you call it? An essay, a sponsorship essay, so that we can start getting the word of sponsorship around to these people. My videos get more views than most 10 to 20,000 YouTubers consistently. So this channel definitely is going to at least hit 1,000 subscribers. We're going to get to 10,000. I see it in the future. Maybe 100,000. It just depends on how long I can keep this up for and how much time and effort that I can give to this in my life. Like, it depends on everything that's going on, right? I mean, I can say, yes, I'm going to do this for the next year as long as I'm in crypto. That's what I told you guys. I'm going to keep doing this. But I can't foresee the future and what life holds for us, right? So there might be something that comes up. Probably not, though, right? Because I trust a good God, and he keeps things straight for me, right? You know, that's why I've been clean almost 11 years. We don't fall into temptation anymore. We overcome, and we proceed. Overcome and proceed. That is our motto. To overcome and proceed. It's actually a good motto. Overcome and proceed. I like it. That's going to be the motto for the Bitcoin Renegade channel. Overcome and proceed. That's what we do. We overcome and we proceed. And that's what we're going to do with this 100-day moving average. We are going to overcome it, and we're going to proceed up to higher price targets. That's how you do it. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bam!